So now relation between degrees and radians. And in simple form, we have given a relation between the what is here, measure of the water hexadecimal system and as well as circular. Okay, right. Now, one complete revolution equal to what we have taken 360 degrees equal to 2 pi radians. Now divide by 2. So 180 degrees equals to pi radians. So as divide by 2. So 180 degrees equal to pi radians. This is a common relation. And the degrees in terms of radians. Now on left side what is there? We have degrees. So degrees means what is there? Otherwise, how you got means just divide by 2. Divide by 2 you will get this is. So all I do is there you can send or divide on both sides by 2 you will get this is. Right? Now 1 degree equal means you can write it as to simply understand 1 into 180 degrees equal to pi radians. 1 into 180 degrees equal to pi radians. Nothing will change. So 1 degree equal to how much? 1 degree equal to we can written as pi by 180 radians. This is. In which we converted degrees to radians. So 1 degree equal to pi by 180. This is in terms of radians. Now take some examples. That is EG. EG nothing but its full form is example gratia. Means for example. Commonly it is example gratia. Means for example. So take number 1. 30 degrees equal to how many radians in terms of radians. So we have 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radians. How much we required for how many degrees we are going to find in terms of radians for 30 degrees. That means what we are doing? Yeah, for 1 degree, for unit we have. For everything, you can also say in physics or in anywhere. For unit only we can take the water base, common classification. So if you increase the quantity, simply multiply by that. Now 30 degrees, and 1 into 30, it is made by. So we are raising this is 30 degrees equal. Means what we are doing? So multiply by 30 on both sides. We require 30 degrees. So multiply by 30 on both sides. Here, if you get confused, suppose 1 degree also you can take. But sometimes you may get confused. And 1 into 30. And what we have done here, to simple understand, we require 30 degrees. And we multiply it by 30 on both sides. Because of our unit we have taken now. So 30. And only on one side you are taking means, in mathematics it's not right. So on two sides, whatever you can take a operation, on two sides we should do the same. So multiply by 30 on two sides. So 1 into 30 equal to pi by 180 into 30 squares. Now what will get C? So that is nothing but pi by 30 means you can cut it. So 0, 0 you can cancel. So 30 degrees equals to what is there? Pi by 18 into 3 there. So 3 1s are 3 6s. So what you got? We got pi by 6. So 30 degrees equal to how many radians? Pi by 6 radians. So number 2 to take example. 60 degrees equal to how many radians? Same thing you can take. So we have 1 degree equals to pi by 180. So now 60 degrees equal to what we should do? Multiply by 60 on both sides. Pi by 180 into 60. So direct also you can cut. 63s are 180. So that is, you will get how much? Pi by 3. So like this, we can write the degree measurement in terms of radian measurement in this form. So you can take for anything. You can take for 90, you can take for 45. So like this we can. So how many degrees you require with this? What is the base here for us? Degrees to radians. This is the principle for us. Just simply to know, this is the, you can use like a principle. So how many degrees you require? As we are multiplying left side, so on right side also you can, and then go for this. Okay, right. This is degrees into what? Radians. Now radians into degrees. Only these two only we required. In grades commonly, no need. So because of you cannot face the questions with that. Now second one, what? Degrees to radians completed first one. Now radians to degrees. R into means we have 2 pi radians equals to 360 degrees dividing by 2. Dividing by 2 how much? Pi radians equal to 180 degrees. So that is also we can do dividing by 2 also. Dividing by 2. Dividing by 2 on both sides. Both sides. So 2 pi by 2 pi radians equal to 360 degrees by 2. So 2 cancel. 2 1 just 2 8 just 0 asterisk 180 degrees. Means pi radians equal to how much? 180 degrees. This is pi radians equal to 180 degrees. And then while we are doing the problems, so when radians convert into degrees, nothing but definitely we need to use pi equal to 180 everywhere. So like examples we can take. So before we have done for 30 and 60, now you can take 45. Means what is, suppose pi by 4. So pi by 4 equal to how many degrees? Because of already we have taken a conversion. So we have pi equals to 180 degrees. Now pi equal to how much? 180 by 4. You divide. 4 4 years, 4 5 years. So how much? 45 degrees. Like this. So we will give one second example also for this. So take second one. So 90 degrees. And that means the problem you will give like this, pi by 2 equal to how many degrees? So again you can write, we have pi equals to 180 degrees. Means 180 degrees by 2 means that is the required. Therefore pi by 2 equals to 2 9 just 0. So 90 degrees. Like this. So we can convert the degrees into radians, radians into degrees. So this is the system. So already what we learned now, we defined what is the angle. So how angle should form and how angle we measure. So we measure the angles in 3 types. That is nothing but already you know in terms of degrees, grades and also the radians. So while doing the problems nothing but there is a required conversion from radians to degrees in mostly cases, or degrees to radians also. That what we have done. Now we are entering into